Hi everyone, welcome to the next card. This is a card that folds flat. There's a theme to these cards, can you tell? And it folds down into a bit of a box style card. It stands up nicely. It does stand up. There you are. It stands very, very nice. I've seen these sorts of cards set up as like a fireplace sort of design, and it's just a different type of fancy fold, which I hope you will enjoy making. You have all the pieces that you need in your measurement guide, so do try and have those cut out before you make a start, but obviously feel free to watch the video from start to finish so you can get a feel for how to put this card together. Obviously you can change any of the designer series papers that I've used and any of the images and of course the sentiment on the front, but I do hope you enjoy the design. Let's get started. Okay, so to get us started to make this card, you're going to need your trimmer or your scoring board, and you're going to need your longest piece of thick basic white that you've cut, and we're going to start with it in our trimmer so it is lengthways with the long edge at the top. The score lines you're going to do are 13.5 centimetres, 16.5 centimetres, 21.5 centimetres, and 24.5 centimetres. Okay, you can pop that to one side, and you're going to make sure that your score lines are nice and crisp with your bone folder. That is the trick to this card in particular, but definitely with all fancy fold card designs. Okay, so this is your card base, and it works like so. Okay, so you're going to put your glue on this panel here, like so, and the easiest way to do this is to fold that piece over so that it meets the centre, and then bring that one over. Okay, you then have your base of your card, which is similar to how we've created the pinwheel card in a previous video. So you've got this lovely panel, and it looks like the shape of the letter B. Okay, you've then got some pieces to add, so you're going to start by decorating the back panel, sorry, the top panel of this card, like so. And then pop on your DSP, and then you have these two pieces here which are for the front little pop out section, like so. So we need to decorate those two pieces before we put the next piece together. So we're going to bring your scorer back in, and this piece of cherry cobbler you're going to need is 14 centimetres by 8 centimetres. And again, we're going to do two score lines. We're going to do one at 10 centimetres and one at 13 centimetres. Give that a really good crease, like so, and like so. Okay, now for this one you want to put your glue on this bottom panel and on this strip here. So I'm going to start by putting my glue on that strip, and I would recommend you using something that is relatively strong, like a double-sided or a tape runner if you use them. Okay, and I'm going to kind of eyeball this now. So put your card so that it's nice and flat against your surface, and then you're going to bring that down So you're going to fold that flat, and then you're going to tuck that strip over and stick that down. So that's now stuck on, and then now you can stick this panel down as well. So I'm going to do that by adding my glue to here, and then just a bit like so. So bring that down and stick that on there. What you achieve by doing it that way is that you know it will fold entirely flat, okay? And then when you stand it up, it will stand up for you as well, okay? So what we've got left to do is our bit of decoration. So I'm going to do my doodling. Love a little doodle on this piece of white. So you've got our sentiment. Santa Paws is coming to town, and I'm going to put that over here. And then we've got our little animals. So I've gone for our lovely doggy, like so. I'm going to pop him on with some dimensional foam pads. And then we've got our little kitty in the box to go on top as well. And then this piece gets stuck to that front panel of cherry cobbler, like so. We're going to turn it over, and we're going to add more dots to our piece of white. Stick that down, and then attach that to the back of our card. And there we have it. That is our finished card design for you. That stands up like so. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy putting it together. Bye for now.